Hey guys, it's Miss P and I am here again, and I just wanted to share with you what I do when I am not sewing. So this is my garden, and this year I had my first raised bed. There's my rosemary and my sage and my marigolds. That's my parsley, flat leaf parsley. And over on the side of that is the cilantro. If you look deep inside, you can see that little thing over there. Those are my lemon cucumbers. That is my determinate tomato. I've never done determinate tomatoes before, so I thought I would. As well as my little purple basil. That's my oregano that survived the winter and is thriving. And that is my sad little thyme that also survived the winter but is not thriving. It bolted before the weather even got warm. I don't know what that was about. So yeah, so I'm what you call a guerrilla gardener, and what a guerrilla gardener is, guerrilla gardening is the act of planting on public or neglected land without official permission, aimed at transforming abandoned, dirty, or trash-filled spaces into vibrant gardens or food sources. Often considered a form of community activism, it enhances biodiversity, beautifies neighborhoods, and empowers residents to take ownership of their urban environments. Here you're going to see my sad little fig trees. They were supposed to come back this year, but they did not. Not as of yet. The videos I've watched said they might just take a while, considering they've been pruned back a little bit. I'm hoping they'll come back. I think that's my purple tomato, some peppers, another tomato. I do pepper, tomato, pepper, tomato. So I have Juliet, I have yellow, I can't remember the variety of the tomatoes. Oh, this is my blueberry bush. I'm so excited. Those are the blackberries. They're struggling. But I have been trying to plant blueberries for about 3 or 4 years now. The branches would leaf, but they would never really like bloom or anything. But this year they just kind of went crazy. Oh, that's my little pepper plant. Again with the blackberry. Yeah, so they just finally went crazy. That's my strawberry that survived the winter. Next to my lovage, which is British herb. It smells kind of like celery, and it's kind of very strong, but it's a nice complement to celery, kind of celery and anise mixed together. So there's my beautiful blueberry plant. If you look close, you can see that there's like plenty of buds and flowers, and you see all those little blueberries there. I'm going to have quite a feast of blueberries if the birds don't get them first. So I'm super excited about that. Yeah, that's why I'm showing you so many, like every little bloom is my baby, and I'm so excited. So yeah, so I'm growing these blueberries. This particular plant is the oldest one. Last year it was very small, but then it just decided it wanted to shoot up. That's my newest one. I kept picking the flowers off of that so it wouldn't bloom. I also forgot to drain that pot, so anyway, yeah, and that one in the middle is a newer one, but that one that's laden with blueberries is also about 2 years old. So he's doing really good. I'm super excited to have blueberries for my first time. Like I said, I've been trying a while. And I put marigolds in there as companion plants because they help stave off the bugs. Bugs don't like the smell of them. That is my onion plant, my chives that bolted really super early. Was not happy about that. That's my shishito pepper. Let's see. I can't remember what kind of tomato plants those all are. That's my Juliet. Yeah. Yep. So that's my garden. I just wanted to share it with you, and there might be more gardening stuff, but I'm definitely still sewing. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe if you'd like to like and subscribe.